The third one, please. No.
You can choose.
I choose for you. So yeah, this is for your first course. So we're gonna open those scallops now, and we use so we're gonna use the whole scallops. We're gonna use also we keep the raw sack of the scallops, so the guts and the raw sack. We're gonna use for a fish sauce that's gonna be used to season the scallops. So we're just gonna open them and then bring them to the kitchen for your first course.
And also here you actually have our sister restaurant Sen, situated in Singapore. So they're right in the middle of their dinner service here at the moment. You can see you have some guests here coming in to have a look at the kitchen and then a little tour there as well. So we sort of keep in contact that way. Our pastry section is right down there. Of course, I understand he's stealing the show.
There you go. So then we just remove. Here there's like a nerve. So we're gonna just remove. Take out the scallops. This part, this is the eggs, the raw. So this part we're gonna keep it. That's gonna be used for your dish. Rinse in ice water. There we go. That's gonna be for your first dish.
Thank you.
And we infuse just a little bit of oil. Finishing with a vinaigrette made from fermented plum juice and tomato water. Nice, fruity and fresh. Split with a little bit of the oil. Finishing with some lime zest. Please enjoy.